43 lessons by 43. Now we're at lesson number 2, laugh more. One thing I've learned by 43 is to laugh more. We thought this gondola ride would be peaceful, but instead we laughed almost the entire time. Life doesn't always go the way you expect. Sometimes the best memories come from the moments you never planned. So laugh a little harder, worry a little less, and enjoy the ride.
How far is this up? Why is it going all the way over there?
This is I saw when you do skiing in the cage, you come up with something like this.
Yeah, sit down. I
Yeah?
want to sit down. Oh my God. Stopping
Mom, Keja?
I don't like when it stops.
Stand up straight.
But I'm moving it, but I want to stop.
It's beautiful down there. Look down there.
I'm not looking. I look
Oh,
at
it
the
is
phone.
very pretty.
I love it. I love the view.
And the beach.
Don't jump. Tell me when it's here.
Okay.
Okay, it's going down slowly. You hold on tight.
Tranquil.
Okay. Now we can look like decent people. Okay, Khalid.
Almost down, brother. Almost down.